Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make fish balls. We are using cream dory or basa fillets in Australia. This is about 500 grams, about 2 fillets. And then we need a small onion. This one's about 50 grams. 10 grams of garlic, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and to that I added 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1/4 cup flour, and 1 tablespoon of oil. So we'll just cut up our fish first, make it easier for the food processor. So we'll work in small batches because my blender is not that strong. We'll make a paste, a fish paste, 1 fillet at a time. Into this we'll add our garlic and our onions, then half of our oil. Like so. Let's transfer this first in a small bowl. We'll still puree all the fish. And goes the second batch fish. And put in the rest of the oil. And to this we'll be needing egg whites, our salt and sugar, mix them. We'll add in our flour and the corn flour. So we'll just transfer it into our bowl. Okay, make sure we mix this well. Get everything incorporated. When we portion them, we need some water to put our balls into. Get a small amount of oil in your hands, makes it easier to ball them. Okay. Then put them into your cold water. We are going to poach this, so you don't want it to be boiling, so you just minimize your heat. So just poach them for a few minutes. Okay. Okay, we'll heat up some oil for our fried fish balls. Okay. To test our oil if it's hot enough, if you got a skewer, put it in the oil, and if you see bubbles forming, that'll be hot enough. That's a good indicator. If your oil is hot, you see bubbles already coming out. We'll place our balls in. So I'm just using medium heat. Fish balls. our fish balls. Sarap.